Okay, I'm just going to put the answer key here for you to check your answers. You may want to hit pause. So if I'm reflecting on the x-axis, I'm going to be okay, so it's not on here, but if I'm reflecting on the x-axis, let's call this A, which is 1, 0, and let's call this B, which is 0, 1. And so if I'm reflecting from here to here, this doesn't change, so my transformation, this stays the same. And if I switch from here to here, my new B prime value is going to be 0, -1. So that's why I have 0, -1 here. So the reflection of A to A prime, this stays the same. The reflection of B to B prime, the new transformation image is going to be 0, -1. Okay, anti-clockwise. So if I'm turning anti-clockwise, I'm going to be using this relationship, and which I've written here, but I've put in 45 degrees, and we can write it like that. Clockwise, we're going to use this relationship. Now, if I'm doing 90 degrees, if I plug in 90 degrees or pi over 2, we end up with this relationship. If I'm reflecting on the line of this, then we use the relationship sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta with the sine 2 theta in this relationship. So I plug it in here. You might want to hit pause and check your answers. Okay, let's do question 2. We have an enlargement. So if we have an enlargement scale factor of 4, we just put that value there from our k values here. Okay. Write down the transformation of a rotation of 180 degrees. So I think an easy way to think about this is if I'm twirling 180 degrees, here's my A, which is 1, 0, and my B, which is 0, 1. This A dot is going to go all the way over to here if I'm rotating 180 degrees, and that new coordinate is going to be -1, 0. So -1, 0. So my original position is 1, 0. My new position is -1, 0. My B value, which is 0, 1, is now going to rotate over to here. And so this new position is going to be 0, -1. So that's why I have 0, -1. Okay, I hope that was a good example of how the original position becomes our, so this is our original, and this is our transformation. So if I multiply any matrix by this transformation, it will give me a rotation of 180 degrees. Okay, so this question here, we're going to have a rotation of 180 degrees followed by an enlargement by a scale factor. So if it's followed by this, then this is going to be our second transformation. And this is the first transformation. Okay. And so if I multiply this matrix times that matrix, we get this. Okay. Consider this drawing. So we've got our original image with 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 6, which we got this in our drawing. Okay, we're going to use matrix multiplication. So we want to sketch the triangle reflected on the x-axis. So if I'm reflecting it on the x-axis, I'm going to multiply it by 1, 0, 0, negative 1. That reflects it on the x-axis. And if I'm going to reflect this image on the y-axis, then we're going to have negative 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, you might want to hit pause. Okay, check your answer for C and D. Hit pause. Okay. Next, question number 4. You may want to hit pause and think about this one. Okay, question number 5. You may want to hit pause. Okay, and that's it.